Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
Conversation between two friends about their future dreams. Ravi, hey Aman. What's up, buddy? Aman, hey Ravi. I'm good, just thinking about life and the future. You know, dreams and goals. Ravi, oh really? That's interesting. So, what's your dream? What do you want to become? Aman, I want to become a pilot. I've always loved flying. Just imagine flying high in the sky and seeing the whole world. Ravi, wow. That's amazing. You'll look so cool in that uniform. Airplane. Aman, haha, thank you. What about you? What's your aim in life? Ravi, I want to become a software engineer. I love coding and creating things. My dream is to work at Google one day. Aman, that's awesome, Ravi. You're really good at computers. I'm sure you'll make it. Ravi, thanks, bro. So, what steps are you taking for your dream? Aman, I'm preparing for entrance exams and trying to improve my English and general knowledge. I also watch documentaries about aviation. Ravi, that's great. Hard work always pays off. I'm learning programming languages and working on small projects. Aman, nice. So, where do you see yourself in the next 10 years? Ravi, hopefully, working in a big tech company, living in a new city, and making my parents proud. What about you? Aman, flying across countries, meeting new people, and fulfilling my childhood dream. And yes, making my family proud too. Ravi, that's the spirit. One day, when you fly a plane, don't forget to give me a free ticket. Face with tears of joy. Aman, haha, sure. And when you become a big engineer, don't forget your friend. Ravi, never. Friends are forever. Let's work hard and make our dreams come true. Aman, absolutely. Dream big, work hard, and stay positive.